Your game is ready to play. What? I'm playing it! Oh my god, you're both aliens. Get away from me. No Cortana?
No.
Wasn't she supposed to pop up there? And like slow us all down?
No, there's a brute cannon back there.
What? What are you talking about, brute? I'm not talking about brute cannons, I'm talking about Cortana. Oh, here she is. Get out of my head! We're never gonna beat level 1, guys. Get over here, get over here. Let me in. Your number tag, name tag is putting me off a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you about that, but like...
Shut on!
That's not very nice. That was aggression at finest.
You don't say.
I'm going back to the enemy. They're nicer than you guys are.
Killed. He's been corny.
Yeah.
He committed the worst sin ever. Corniness.
Horniness, cringiness.
Oh guys, check this out. It's gonna step on me. Like a little bug. Hey! 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 The way he looked up at you. The way he looked up at you. That was... No, don't tempt fate. You idiot! Do you have the laser beam?
No.
Look at what I have. Here, I'll drop it so you can pick it up. Here, grunt. Alright, now you can pick it up.
Why can I aim in with this thing?
You definitely can't aim in with it.
You look like a ham. I can't drop it now. I don't know one spot here. You look like a...
Those are your binoculars, silly! I mean,
That's
what?
a weird feat.
Why are you looking at his feet? No. Why are you looking at his feet like that? Why are you looking at his feet all the time? You're always looking at feet, man.
No.
Okay, he just had kind of weird feet, I'm not gonna lie.
I am the third revelation.
Sorry, but Johnson's dead.
There's the arbiter. Oh, there he goes.
No, can you please not fuck up?
If I can fit this thing in a hallway, I can drive.
Sure.
Oh, fuck, I didn't see that. Oh.
Almost immediately. Don't drive into those guys. Ah!
Fucking fish telly.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out!
He's Spider-Man, look at him.
Hear me out. This is something else.
I'm not an ODST?
No, you are. You're just normal ODST.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, dude.
Using it for evil. Oh, I found a shotgun.
There's
Oh, a shotgun against these guys is gonna be later. Nighty-night. Yep. Yeah, bye-bye, grunts. Oh, what? Oh, get out. Go to bed. Here, come into this building I'm in, right? Oh, no. What are you doing? Just get up here. I'm gonna die before this guy gets to me. What are you doing? You're confusing him now. Okay. I didn't mean it. It's in the building time. Oh, watch this. You can come in the fucking building! Get away! Oh, fuck, you're dead! Don't go in there.
Stay back! Karen! Stay back!
Oh no, I'm out. Where's he gone?
Just
Come up the... I didn't even... Hello? Yeah, he's coming.
My night vision is off.
Your night vision's off. Oh! Yeah, I'm picking up the assault rifle. Fuck this. Oh, we're backed up into the... What could possibly go wrong? Get out of here! Fuck that, I'm getting out of here. Oh, the night vision back on, quick!
What was the other ones like downstairs?
Dutch. Arthur.
Dutch!
I have a plan.
Is that Dutch there?
Oh, that's like that one shot from fucking Terminator Salvation. You know the one that...
Don't care, still don't care.
You're back to gunning duty.
Before...
Today would be nice. Before they kill me. Oh, we're dead.
Where's my jet?
Kill that guy. What are you doing? Look at the fucking sky.
No,
There's an actual ground level threat, and you're looking at the clouds. Hit me, I guess. Oh, there's another tank. We can both have tanks. Go! Move!
you get in your tank and unblock? Oh, you blocked the way.
No, I didn't. I'm about to unblock the way. Well, that's very efficient. We can carry the other tank with us.
It's a backup.
It's a dead end. Back
Yeah,
it up, back it up.
I'm gone with the rest of them.
No, don't leave me here! I lost my laser. Just gonna... Holy shit, man!
They blew it up.
Okay, there's no getting that laser now. There's no getting that laser.
Just fucking trade them.
What was that all about? How do you keep losing it? It's gotta be better than that. Here, you're not even in a vehicle, so you gotta jump down there and do it yourself.
Oh.
Go on. No suicide bombs. Ow! Oh. Lovely. Brute shot! Prop, prop, prop!
Oh, no.
Brute shot! Okay, that was... I wonder if I can stand on his head. Oh! He's stuck on the ground now. Alright, you just leave you lead those to the way and see if the engineer brings us.
Where?
I don't know, just walk on ahead. Yeah, he's bringing me! He's bringing me on his back! His shit's getting all glitched up. He's whacking shit away from him! He just fucking threw a lorry across the street. Here, try and walk up to him. He'll fling you away. Virgil! Ow!
Virgil, don't send me away! Oh!
Don't worry, Virgil. They're trying to get in. What the? Sorry, Bug. Oh, this is... He's in! He's in!